Hi, to customize always on display on your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly we need to make sure that AOD feature is enabled. And for that, just open your settings. Here scroll till you could find lock screen and AOD tab. Then simply select it and choose always on display. Now you need to take a look at this upper panel, and here you should see the status on. So if you see off like in my case, then simply tap on the switcher to enable always on display. And after that we can customize it. For example, we can choose whether we want to show music information or not. If you would like to hide music information, just tap on the switcher so it will become gray. If you want to show it, tap on it so it would be blue. After that, we can choose when we want to show always on display. We got 4 options: to always show it, tap to show, as scheduled, and for new notifications. For example, let's select always and save the changes using this back arrow. Also, you can read some information about this feature if you tap here. And additionally, you can customize style of always on display because it matches with your lock screen. So we can simply change the lock screen for that. So let's use this back arrow to go back in the settings and now select edit lock screen. After that, you'll be able to change the clock style first. For example, we can tap on clock. Here, switch to any other clock style. We can resize it by dragging those corners. And everything will be displayed on the always on display as well. So we can also change the color. Here we got many options. Let's select this one. We can also change font style and also resize it. We can move it down or up. And now let's tap here. So we got widgets. We can add some widgets to always on display as well. Just tap widgets and scroll through the list to select the right app. For example, we can add something from Samsung Health. We got 2 options: daily activity graphic and chart. Let's choose graphic because I like this little heart. And we can add something else, for example battery. We got battery status and battery status list. Let's tap on battery status list, and that is how it will look on always on display as well. So now let's tap lock screen, and here we can customize notifications. So just tap this third section and we can disable notifications. We can choose icons only. We can select details, which will look something like that. And in details, you can also change the intensity of this tab. Let's choose icons only. And here on the bottom, we can add some contact information in case if you lost your device. And after that, let's tap down button to see those changes. And let's check our always on display. For that, I'm gonna lock my phone. And now always on display is looking like that. So let me show you this closer. Here is my always on display. With the same clock style we have chosen for our lock screen, with the same notification center, with the same widgets, and with the same font style and color. So yeah, that's pretty it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.